What happened then? Then what happened? Hmm. 8:20. I gave the link on 8:30. I think you were not there. Oh yes, no, one new student joined and she can be able to join only on 8:30. That's why the session is on 8:30 I have kept. If she is regular then no problem. If she's not regular then I will keep it on 7:30 again. Yeah, thank you. So let's wait for others. Evening, but what happened? Yesterday you didn't join. Wedding. Okay. So tell me something, whatever the things you have enjoyed there. 5 minutes sharing. So let's start our session. I think we should start our session. You, both of you, please go to this one. Go to the group and see the syllabus there. Can you see the syllabus here in the group? Did you see the syllabus? Well, okay. So in the syllabus, what is the first step is written? Tell me something. Tell me. That one is conjunction, isn't it? That one is conjunction. In the group, all of you are welcome in the session. Tia, Shikha, Karan, Bhavna, all of you are welcome in the session. Please see in the group. That is one part. First part is conjunction is written, isn't it? Yes. So in the we shall work on conjunction today. Conjunction. Can you give me any example of conjunction? Anyone can tell me what is conjunction and what are the examples of this? Tell me. Who is telling here? Tia. Very nice, very nice. Next, Karan, tell me what is conjunction and what do you know about? Do you have any idea about that? Tell me. Here is what is conjunction. Which one is conjunction? Very nice. Now, Shikha, can you share me something about conjunction? Yes. Hmm, hmm. Next one is Bhavna. Hello. Please tell me something about conjunction if you know. Do you have any idea about conjunction? Okay. So today we shall work on conjunction. Conjunction, as already we have known, that conjunction is something that is defining or gathering two words, making two sentences into one sentence. Rina is a girl. Rina is she is intelligent. Rina is a girl. Rina is an intelligent. Rina is a girl, and she is also an intelligent one. You can write like this. So today we shall be working on conjunction. Okay. So what are the examples of conjunction? And please write down, all of you. Please write down so that if I give you any task to do about conjunction, then you can do it. Please write down. And after writing, you please, after the session is over for today, you just send it in the group whatever you have written. Conjunction. Are you writing, all of you? Hmm. Karan, are you writing? Bhavna? Yes, thank you. And Tia, are you writing? Okay, please write and. Yes, but, yet, still. These are the questions you should write. And after 15 minutes, I don't think that 15 minutes needed. After 10 minutes, we shall be discussing again. Okay? Please do it. Let's discuss our topic. So, first of all, she visits the old church, dash, she goes to Poway, and here the conjunctions are once, whenever, and wherever. And the answer here is whenever. If you have written whenever, then tick your answer. And if you have written some other thing, then please cut it and write the word whenever, conjunction. Next one, that is the hotel dash we stayed last time we visited. And the answer is where, WHERE, where. Where is the answer? Very good. Next one, dash, you win the lottery, you will be able to buy anything you want. And the answer is if. If you win the lottery, you will be able to buy anything you want. That is the answer. Next one, you see, you want to pass the civil service exam, dash, you study. And the answer is unless. You won't pass the civil service exam unless you study. Number 5, I couldn't get a seat. Dash, I came early. I couldn't get a seat though, THOUGH, though I came early. हालांकि मैं, दो मीन्स हालांकि मैं जल्दी आ गया था, मैं फिर भी सीट मुझे नहीं मिली, मुझे सीट फिर भी नहीं मिली. Number 6, they are leaving Friday night, dash or not it rains. And the answer here will be whether, whether or not it rains. बारिश हो या ना हो, वो लोग वो लोग रात को रात को शुक्रवार रात को ये जगह छोड़ रहे हैं या यहाँ से जा रहे हैं। Number 7. Read your instructor's message from start to finish. Dash, you will miss important details. Your answer will be or. Read your instructor's message from start to finish or you will miss important details. Next one, number 8. Twice delivered an epic performance. Dash, they are quite new. And the answer here is as. Twice delivered an epic performance as they are quite new. Sasa is trustworthy. Dash, everyone trusts her. Sasa is trustworthy. So, everyone trusts her. So will be the answer here. Next, number 10. Take a photo of the grocery list dash you forget. And the answer here will be lest. Take a photo of the grocery list lest you forget. तुम्हें भूलने की बीमारी है तो भूल ना जाओ इसी लिए तुम ग्रोसरी लिस्ट का एक फोटो लेके रखो. So whatever the answer I have shared here, is this correct one you have written all? Okay. How much you got, Shikha, Tia? Out of 10, how much you got? Tell me. Let me know. 9. Tia, 8. Tia, how much you got? 7. Bhavna, how much is it your answer? How much? Huh? 6. Okay. Karan, out of 10. 10 on 10. Okay. Perfect. Very good. So these are the conjunctions. So what are the conjunctions here? In the brackets we can get once, whenever, wherever, where, when, how, then if, unless, then as, though, when, whether, so, that, or, then, lest. These all are conjunctions. Whenever, and, but, still, yet. These all are conjunctions. Okay, did you get the any one a bit idea you have got, I think, about conjunctions? How to join? You see, in the 10 on 10 sentences, you have seen that the sentences are joined within by making a conjunction between the sentences, and that's the conjunction. So tomorrow I will give you one homework I will be giving you in the group, and that one you will be doing, and tomorrow again we shall be discussing on conjunction, and after that in the session we shall be going on another topic. Okay.